Distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, join me on this lovely voyage with Mrs. Akintayo Oluwakemi and her wonderful children to Ogbin to celebrate the anniversary of birth of my respected senior colleague, brother and friend, Professor Akintayo Oladayo Idowu. Akintayo Oladayo Idowu is a proud alumnus of Tonkere Ayetoro Grammar School, Tonkere, as well as Ansarudin School, Ogbin. He is a distinguished alumnus of my alma mater, the prestigious Premier University of Ibadan. He is a clergyman and an academic par excellence. Professor Akintayo Oladayo Idowu has amassed considerable teaching, research, and community service experience across the globe, an invaluable asset to the Osun State University, Osogbo. Professor Akintayo Oladayo Idowu had earlier served the Olabisi Onabanjo University, Agoiwoye, meritoriously. That was where our paths crossed in service to humanity. A one-time dean and provost in the College of Management and Social Sciences of the Osun State University, Professor Akintayo Oladayo Idowu is a darling and absolutely adorable brother, a perfect gentleman, and a complete family man with admirable native intelligence. Congratulations on your birthday, Prof. I join your darling wife and lovely children to wish you long life, healthy life, more prosperous and fulfilled life. Now, Oladayo Idowu ọmọdé òmu, ọmọ àjọbọ̀rọ̀ nílé, ọmọ àjífọ́lá rọra, alẹ́ ọ̀tá, ọmọ àdúró gbọ̀ngbọ̀n níwájú ogun, ọmọ kò gbọ́tẹ̀kẹ́, ọmọ àdúró gbọ̀ngbọ̀n nídìí òdodo, ọdẹ òmu àràbà ìlú tí bẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́rù. Lẹ́ọ̀ Oladayo Idowu, ọmọ ìsà Ogbin ara Ologbojo, ọmọ asọ̀kẹ́ bí ẹni súnmọ́, ọmọ àríkẹ́yàn, ìwọ́lọ́mọ oníkẹ́ àmúṣẹyẹ. Oladayo, ike mi ò jọ tọ́ya, ẹ mọ́ gbé fọ́ya, gẹ̀ǹgẹ̀ àyà mi ò jọ tó òòṣà, ẹ má gbé fọ́ọ̀ṣà láwẹ̀. Idowu, ike mi wá di ike àmúṣẹyẹ, ìsà Ogbin ara Ologbojo. Darling brother, Professor Akintayo Oladayo Idowu, have a lovely, fantastic and joyous birthday celebration.